everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are having a happy new year so far. In today's video, I am going to be showing you some of my Christmas presents that I will be using to do my blogging and videos this year. And then we will take off on doing some shopping and come back and do some decorating. As far as shopping, I'm going to be showing you a new antique mall that I discovered on the way from Atlanta to Florida, and I really like it, spoiler alert. And then I will be also sharing, my daughter has decided to take all the Christmas down, but she's leaving up a few things to leave that winter vibe. So we're not completely throwing fairy lights and greenery to the curb yet, because we're just not ready to let go of those twinkling lights. So let's get started and we'll play with some of these Christmas presents and then head off to do some shopping. All right, so let's kick things off with a bit of unboxing excitement. I was lucky enough to receive some fantastic gifts this year, and I can't wait to show you what's inside. This gift had me buzzing with excitement, literally. My soon-to-be son-in-law surprised me with a drone. It's a game changer for capturing stunning aerial shots and adding a whole new perspective to our videos. But here's the fun part. My other son-in-law, Jesse, who's flying this drone here, and I decided to set it up together. Join us as we navigate the setup process and take this bad boy for a spin, both inside and outside their home on a dreary day. We definitely need a lot of practice because I almost got it stuck in this tree. Next, I am excited to share this trim cutting tool Jesse gave me. You bet your buttons this will be used for everything from crafting to DIYs. I cannot wait to show you this handy dandy tool in action. I mean, check it out. It will cut trim without one of those fancy miter saws. You just open it up and then you can adjust it on the plate to whatever angle you want. I mean, this is the coolest tool ever, and I can't wait to show it in action. Now, during Christmas, I had the incredible opportunity to spend time with my daughters in Atlanta. We decided to go shopping for a few things and work on selecting the flooring for Savannah's mudroom. We came across these exquisite marble-looking vinyl cut tiles at an amazing price at Lowe's. Stick around and I'll take you behind the scenes as Savannah and Jesse work their magic laying down their fantastic flooring. Okay, so we brought this over here to these light bulbs. See how these light bulbs have a warm hue to them, whereas the ones behind it have a cool hue. So we sat this down in here so we could see if it would give it more of a warm tone, and it definitely does. So we're gonna give this a try because she wanted a warmer color tile. Here's behind the scenes action of Savannah and Jesse working hard to install those stunning vinyl tiles. Now that the mudroom is finished, Savannah worked on tying it in with the rest of her cottage-style home by adding one of our Etsy vintage printables. It's the perfect finishing touch. On our journey back from Atlanta, Hannah and I stumbled upon a hidden gem, a vintage antique mall that was totally new to us. Trust me, it deserves a solid 5 stars. So I thought, why not bring you along for a little shopping spree? We're going to explore some of my favorite finds, and who knows, maybe we'll come across something that could end up on my Valentine wish list.
Oh, that's cute.
Now let's continue the Christmas gift showcase. One of the sweetest presents I received was from my oldest daughter, Christina. She gifted me these adorable vintage Santa mugs. What makes them even more special is that they seem to be crafted from ceramics, one sporting initials on the bottom. I love collecting vintage treasures that carry a hint of history. Next up, let me share this delightful gift that landed under my Christmas tree, a Marks & Spencer light-up tin filled with tea. Isn't it a beauty when it's all lit up? Next, I was excited to find some copper under the Christmas tree. My goal from the beginning was to have real copper pieces that I could use in the kitchen. So I got this adorable French copper pot from one of my son-in-laws. Now, as we start winding down from the holiday spirit, it's time to unwrap a different kind of gift, the joy of un-Christmas decorating. Join me in this segment as we transform back to normalcy with Anna Green Gables on the TV and bidding farewell to our beloved Christmas decor. During the process, we decided to leave the tree with nothing on it and the garland on the mantle. We felt like it gave the room that winter feeling that we were going for, and it allowed us to keep the beautiful lights.